Good morning, children. Hope all are fine and safe at home. In the previous video, we learnt addition of large numbers. In today's class, we are going to see addition related story problems, subtraction review and subtraction without regrouping. So, whenever you get word problem, you children skip the word problem because of two reasons. One is you don't know what statement to write for the word problem. Next thing is you don't know what operation to apply for the word problem. First, whenever you get word problem, you have to read the question carefully and understand the question. Then you see what you have to apply, what operation you have to apply for the word problem. Then you solve the word problem. See, here you have the question. Read the question first. 52,605 girls visited a book exhibition which was held for a week. If 396 boys also visited the exhibition, find the total number of visitors. So, read the question and understand first, and you see the word total here. In the previous video itself, I thought if the word total is related with addition. So, when you get the word total, you have to do addition. So, next problem is you don't know what statement to write for the word problem. You take the root statement from the question. Find the total number of visitors. This find the is the question word, just skip that. Total will come for the final answer. So, you take the remaining words that are given in the question. Number of visitors. So, this is the base for the statement. Number of visitors. Now, you ask question to this number. What is the number given? 52,605. What is this number? Girls. This number indicates the girls. So, join that number of girl visitors. Join the root word, the root number of girl visitors is equal to 52,605. Next, what number you have in the question? 396. What is that number? Boys. Now, connect this root word with that boys. So, you get the statement as number of boy visitors. That is equal to 396. You have only a 3-digit number. So, please arrange it from the ones place. 6, 9, 3. Then, for the final statement, you have to write total number of visitors. Total number of visitors is equal to. Now, you have to add these two numbers. Start adding from the ones place. 5 plus 6, it gives you 11. Put 1 and take the carryover 1 to the next place. 9 and 1 gives you 10. You all know that. So, put 0 in the ones place and take the carryover 1 to the next place. So, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So, 0, carryover 1. 2 plus 1, 3, and this 5 you can bring as such and you can write. So, total number of visitors visited the exhibition are 53,001. Now, do you all understand how to frame the statement for the word problem? Next, you see another word problem here. Pramod bought a mobile phone for rupees 7,890. His friend Sonu bought a mobile phone which costs him rupees 8,500 more. Find the amount Sonu paid for buying the mobile phone. Whenever you get money related story problem, you have to use two root words. One is cost, the other one is amount, depending on the question. Here in the question it is given, Pramod bought a mobile phone. When the word bought comes, use the word cost. Use the word cost. So the first statement you have to write is cost of Pramod's mobile phone. Cost of Pramod's mobile phone. That is equal to rupees 7,890. Next, Sonu bought a mobile phone which costs him rupees 8,500 more. That means Sonu is giving this 8,500 extra and buying a new mobile phone. So in the next step, you have to use the word amount. Sonu is paying more. Amount. Sonu paid more is equal to rupees 8,500. Finally, what you have to find is amount Sonu paid for buying the mobile phone. So here you can write, since the word buying is coming, you can use the word cost. Cost of Sonu's mobile phone. And you have to add these two numbers to find the answer. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 5, 13. Carry over 1. So 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Add the word number 16. So 16,390 is the cost of Sonu's mobile phone. So next we are going to see subtraction review. You all know what is subtraction. You would have learnt in lower classes. Subtraction generally indicates taking away or reducing. The symbol used for subtraction is minus. Imagine I have 750 rupees in my hand and I am taking and giving away 250 to my friend. What money will be left in my hand? To know that, I have to subtract 750 minus 240. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 minus 2, 5. Here, the large number that you have on the top or the large number from which you subtract is called as minuend. The large number from which you subtract is called the minuend, and the smaller number that you subtract is called as the subtrahend. And the final answer, what you get after subtraction, is called difference. Please remember, for subtraction, always the larger number should be on the top. That is called minuend. and the small number should be at the bottom, that is subtrahend. Now we are going to see subtraction without regrouping. Without regrouping means without borrowing. Look at the first question. Subtract 2064 from 3098. Compare these two numbers. Which is a large number here? What should come on the top? I told large number called minus n should be on the top. So here when you compare these two numbers, 3098 is the large number, and you have and the word from is given here. From means you have to take the second number. From the second number you have to subtract the first number. So write 3098 as minus n first, then you write 2064 down. Then you subtract from the ones place. 8 minus 4. You can leave 8 finger and you can cut 4 finger, fold 4 finger, and you can find what is the answer. So 8 minus 4 will give you 4. Next, 9 minus 6 will give you 3. 0 minus 0 is 0. 3 minus 2 is equal 1. Hope you all understood subtraction without regrouping. Thank you, children.